Well, good afternoon. This is Steve Jones. It's April 13th, 2023. It's about 2:30 p.m. I'm on the Hayes Nature Preserve, standing at the Matchstick Forest, just off of the greenway that runs from Hampton Cove, working its way through the preserve and up to the Flint Creek Greenway. Part of the city of Huntsville. The preserve runs along the Flint River. It's an incredible place. This Matchstick Forest, I wouldn't characterize it as a swamp, but it's very swamp-like. It's a very wet, predominantly sweet gum mixed oak stand. Standing water through much of the dormant season. I'm going to walk up here a little bit. The predominant flowering plant right now is common name butterweed. I'm not even going to attempt the scientific name. Beautiful this time of year. Very colorful. You see it very much along roadsides, field edges, and even out there is a patch in pretty heavy shade alongside this wetland riparian forest. I take you back toward the Matchstick Forest sign, and I'll bring this to close.